What's going on, everybody? My name is Garrett.
I'm Jazz.
We are Simple, Happy, Fulfilled. We're coming at you today with another meditation around finding peace within self and within stillness, through the breath, through the soul, through the body. Revitalization is what we're here to do today.
And we thought it would be perfect coming at you from a beautiful, silent forest that is actually just behind our house here in the mountains. And it is super peaceful. Most of us are not used to silence like this. It's kind of hard, you know, in your house you have all your little things. So when you come out here and you hear the trees talking and the birds singing, it's just a different level that really just had us feel called to share this with you guys and come on here and help guide you through finding peace within stillness. If this is something you're wanting to join us on today, let's go ahead and find a nice, comfortable seated position, maybe a cushion under the lower spine. You can also do this laying in bed. Regardless of where you're at, let's go ahead and get into a nice, comfortable position. This isn't going to be a long meditation, but let's go ahead and jump right into it. Start by taking the hands to the heart. Taking a moment to feel the lungs filling with air with each inhale and emptying with each exhale. Feeling the natural rhythm of your stomach going up and down. And with each breath, consciously visualizing a beautiful white light filling our entire bodies from head to toe. Today's mantra during our meditation, which I encourage you to come back to in moments where you feel your mind may wander, is I am loving awareness. Today's focus is simply bringing the awareness to the senses, how we're feeling, and finding the beauty that lies within us being still with ourselves and our breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's go ahead and take 5 more rounds of full breaths together at our own pace. Feeling the body becoming heavier. Feeling the earth supporting us below. Taking this time for yourself to simply be with yourself.
This is an act of self-love. We owe it to ourselves to remind ourselves that this peace is always here. This peace is always within us. We can access it within a moment through our breaths. The deep breath in and a long exhale out. We allow whatever chaos and movement happening outside yourself to drift by. With each breath, with each rhythm, with each exhale, we find peace. Like the stillness in the woods and the rhythm of a stream. These same elements are here within us. the flow of Mother Earth is always within us. As part of our self-love, remind yourself to take a moment. Take a moment to be still, to breathe. And through this we find our clarity. I am loving awareness.
Knowing that this space can be cultivated at any time, any place. All we have to do is come back to the breath and to simply feel your body in that moment. Really feel your body.
As we come back to our bodies, we're once again reminded of the infinite resource within us. That is self, that is breath, and that is our spirit. We can close our eyes and come to this place, use this energy at any moment. You are your biggest ally. Stillness is your biggest ally, and the breath is your biggest ally. I am loving awareness.
I am loving awareness.
And as we come back to our bodies, and we bring some movement to our fingers and our toes, and we put our hands back on our knees, take one big breath in and out, and welcome yourself back into your surroundings.
Gently opening the eyes, coming back to yourself. Beautiful. I am in the dark. Oh, don't you love playing with the sun? I encourage you guys that if you have the chance to get outside and just put your face in the sun and let it heal you and just sit there in stillness and breathe, because it is like a superpower from Mother Nature. It just charges you up and it makes it feel as if everything going on out here just kind of dissolves. And I know I'm in the dark, hello, but beginning this with my face in the sun, it was such a beautiful thing to feel. And springtime is right around the corner. For those of you who have been immersed in a cold winter for these last several months, and it is a blessing to have access to this kind of environment to share with you guys, because the simplicity of this nature is so healing on so many different levels. And I encourage you to come back to this video, or simply just come back to the breath anytime that you feel.
We are vessels of Mother Nature. We can channel Mother Nature and her peace and her power. We can carry these qualities and characteristics with us. Get outside, get in nature, and use her powers. They will do you wonders.
Woohoo!
Thank you so much for joining us here at Simple, Happy, Fulfilled in another edition of our meditation circle, Forest Styles. We'll be coming at you again soon with more lovely, wholesome content. So if you guys like this meditation and you like being in the woods, even virtually, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Turn on that little notification bell so you never miss any of these uploads ever. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Peace and love.
Blessings to you all.